Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys X1, I'm talking about generation E84 guys, X1 BMW, and you have 4 or 6-cylinder engine guys, and you're trying to find where bank 1, bank 2 is located on the engine. Super component guys, component, because let's say you're scanning the system, you have engine light on, and it says you need to replace certain sensor on bank 1 or bank 2. Stay with us guys and we will explain guys, okay, where you can expect to find bank 1, bank 2, and what bank 1 and bank 2 means. We'll cover all that today. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop guys, we make at least 200 repair videos guys, free videos provided to you. Specifically on BMWs, we'll have guys probably close to 400 or 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. We're going to share all that for your convenience guys. So now right here guys, this is a 6-cylinder engine. We'll start with explaining about the 6-cylinder engine. If you have guys a 4-cylinder engine, we'll cover that one as well. Make sure you stay with us until the end. So now starting on it guys, 6-cylinder engine, they're the one that are more complicated guys. Certain components you will have they will be doubled. Let's say oxygen sensor, upstream oxygen sensor, you have one on the first half of the engine, one on the second half of the engine. You will have 2 catalytic converters guys. You will have 2 NOx sensors. Check it out, NOx sensor here, NOx sensor there. Why guys? Why? Some sensors you have they're multiplied by 2. Because on the 6-cylinder engine guys, in order for it to run smooth, efficient and do not pollute, and in order to be able for the engine computer to make correct adjustments, it actually divides the engine in 2 halves. The first half is cylinder number 1, 2 and 3, second half is cylinder 4, 5 and 6 guys. And for certain sensors, okay, it will treat it as 2 separate engines. So let's say cylinder number 4, 5 and 6, okay, that bank, the oxygen sensor on the exhaust is reading that this bank is actually running rich. What it will do, it will actually tell it to spray a little bit less fuel, so it can compensate and make it more efficient guys. Now that's why it does it, because if it's all 6 cylinders, it will not know exactly how to adjust it. Now this way it can adjust things a little bit better. So looking at it that way guys, okay, cylinder number 1, and cylinder number 1 is where your serpentine belt is, the closest cylinder to the serpentine belt. Cylinder number 1, 2 and 3 is bank 1, cylinder number 4, 5 and 6 is bank 2. Now if you guys have a 4-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder engines guys are known to have only bank 1, okay, only bank 1 guys. They do not have bank 2, it's only bank 1. It may say that when you read a certain code, it say a certain sensor, oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, but you just have 1 bank. All 4 cylinders are treated guys as 1 engine. So on 6 cylinders you have bank 1, bank 2. On 4-cylinder only 1 bank. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.